Achieve a sleek, modern look by making your Squarespace header entirely transparent, letting your stunning background shine through. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and navigating to your website once you're in your dashboard. Find the Website section in the left-hand menu and click on it. Within the Website section, look for and select Design. This will open up the design settings for your site. Now scroll down until you see Custom CSS. This is where we'll be adding the magic to make your header transparent. Click on this option. You'll now see a large text box. This is your Custom CSS Editor. We're going to paste some specific code into this area. First, copy and paste a particular code, Snippet. This code targets the main header area of your Squarespace 71 site and sets its background to be completely see-through. Next, paste another short code snippet. This one is crucial for ensuring that your navigation links remain perfectly visible against any background image or video, no matter its color. Now observe how your header has transformed. Your background image or video will seamlessly extend into the header space, creating a truly immersive experience for your visitors. This simple CSS adjustment breathes a new level of sophistication into your website's design, giving it a clean, modern, and professional feel. Experiment with different background visuals to see the full effect.